Today, let us discuss about Ahimsa. What is Ahimsa? Let me try to explain from the point of view of Yoga Patanjali, the sage who has given us the Ashtanga or 8 limbs of yoga. What are the 8 limbs of yoga? Yama, Niyama, Asana, Pranayama, Pratyahara, Dharana, Dhyana and Samadhi. Yama are the ethical rules of which Ahimsa or non-violence is one of the subsections. Niyama are the regulations to be followed by one and all. Asana is the posture. Pranayama is the control of prana. Pratyahara is the withdrawal of senses. Dharana is concentration. Dhyana is meditation. And Samadhi is the union or integration with your true self. Ahimsa is the first yama in Patanjali's Ashtanga Yoga. Ahimsa is the complete cessation of all hostility as well as the cessation of the desire to harm any living creature. Patanjali's Ashtanga Yoga opens with Ahimsa. If the yamas are a tree, then Ahimsa is the root. Without Ahimsa, the 4 subsequent yamas cannot exist. Satya, truth, Asteya, non-stealing, Brahmacharya, restraint, and Aparigraha, non-possessiveness. Ahimsa is non-violence in thought, speech, and action, all put together. The Buddha was no stranger to violence. He was surrounded by his cruel cousins who resorted to violence. But despite these provocations, Buddha never wavered in his insistence on Ahimsa. In his famous volume, Dhammapada, he went through and he says, "They do not follow Dharma who resort to violence to achieve their purpose." In the laboratory for ethical experiment, that was his world. The Buddha could see plainly the disastrous effects of violence. Its costs far outweighed its benefits. Finally, the Buddha says, "Don't try to build your happiness on the unhappiness of others." We have in our great country the greatest practitioner of Ahimsa, Mahatma Gandhi. We know very well what was achieved through Ahimsa. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti.